Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system so changes are safe and visible. Update Windows, create a restore point, and set display resolution and scaling for crisp icons. Choose dark mode or a theme to match your aesthetic. This reduces visual clutter. Install a wallpaper manager and pick a high-resolution image or slideshow. Once done, make sure your power plan won't disturb visuals during demos, and keep a backup of the original settings in case you want to revert quickly. Now you dive into the middle work. Add rain meter for widgets and install 1 or 2 curated skins so the desktop doesn't get cluttered. Swap system icons with an icon pack and a safe tool that visually unifies folders and shortcuts. Tweak the taskbar, use small icons, auto-hide, and hide labels so it reads cleaner. Adjust Start menu and right-click shortcuts for faster access. These steps change both appearance and workflow, making the desktop look intentional and stay fast. Finish by polishing. Set accent colors, enable subtle animations, and align widget layout for balance. Use a startup manager to disable heavy apps so visuals remain smooth and clear temporary files. Export your theme, rain meter configs, and icon sets to a folder or cloud so you can restore the look fast. If something breaks, like a skin failing, reload the skin, restart rain meter, and check for missing file paths. That single troubleshooting step fixes most appearance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.